Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and as you probably know, Apple has released the first beta of iOS 18.1 for testing. Now this beta contains the first Apple Intelligence features, and we're now able to actually test those features even though they will be released to the public sometime in October, after of course the release of initial iOS 18 to the public and the new iPhone 16 series. So among these awesome new features, there is also a feature that will let you now record phone calls on your device directly from your iPhone, from the phone app. Now you can just go ahead and record a phone call. It is amazing. I never thought that we would see this feature on iOS. So in today's video, I will show you guys how easily you can actually record a phone call on your iOS device. So here's how you record a phone call on your iOS 18 device. When you go on a phone call, you will see right here we have like an icon. It's actually like faded out, but once you're on the call, and you can see right there, once it shows right here the actual seconds, you will be able to now tap that button. Now all you have to do here is tap the button and it will show right here this call will be recorded, and it will also speak that for you, and it's very easy to record a phone call. As you can see right now, the phone call is actually being recorded, which is really awesome. Now what it will do also is that it will save this under your Notes app, and it will actually even show you a transcription of the phone call. So let's just go ahead and stop this, and now the phone call has actually been saved on the Notes app. So once you go to your Notes app, at the top of your Notes app, you will notice that there will be a new folder of notes called Call Recordings. Right there you will find all your call recordings. You can see right here the phone calls, and also it does show you the transcript right here. So you can play the recording right here. We'll have the usual like playback controls that your iPhone has. You can go forwards, backwards, play and pause right there. It will show you here the exact date and time when the call was actually recorded, and also the length of the call. Now right here it will show you the transcription. What you can do here is of course play the sound and the transcription at the same time. You can even see a summary of the transcription right here, of course via Apple Intelligence, which is really cool. Now if you tap right there, you can add that transcription to a note, you can copy it, or you can find anything you want within that transcription. Now for the audio file, you will be able to actually share it from here, or even save the audio file to your Files app. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This is how easy it is for you to now record any phone call you want on your iPhone. Of course, you always have to be careful with this. The other person has always to know that the phone call is being recorded, even though you get a prompt on your phone when someone tries to record your call, but you have to be careful with that. So that's about it. So that's it for the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one.